Today I am reviewing the ASUS TUF Gaming A16. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're hunting for a powerful gaming laptop in 2025 that balances performance, durability, and immersive visuals, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 is definitely worth your attention. This 16-inch beast packs a serious punch with AMD's Ryzen 9 7940HX processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, making it a top contender for gamers and creators alike. Starting with the processor, the Ryzen 9 7940HX is a high-performance chip built on the latest AMD architecture. It boasts multiple cores and threads that handle intensive gaming sessions, streaming, and multitasking with ease. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or running demanding creative software, this CPU keeps everything running smoothly without breaking a sweat. Paired with the Ryzen 9, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU delivers crisp, vibrant graphics and supports advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS, which enhance visual fidelity while maintaining smooth frame rates. The laptop also includes NVIDIA Advanced Optimus technology, allowing seamless switching between integrated and discrete graphics to optimize battery life without sacrificing gaming power. This is a huge plus for those who use their laptop on the go and need to balance performance with efficiency. The display on the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 is another standout feature. It sports a 16-inch, 2.5K resolution screen with a 165Hz refresh rate and NVIDIA G-SYNC support. This combination means you get buttery smooth visuals, reduced screen tearing, and incredibly responsive gameplay. The 16:10 aspect ratio and slim bezels provide more vertical screen space, which is fantastic for immersive gaming and productivity tasks like browsing or editing documents. The screen-to-body ratio hits about 90%, so the design is modern and sleek, helping you stay focused on your games or work. When it comes to durability, ASUS maintains its TUF series reputation with military-grade toughness. The A16 meets the MIL STD 810H standard, meaning it's been tested against shocks, vibrations, temperature extremes, and humidity. This makes it a reliable choice for gamers who travel or work in various environments and need a machine that can handle some rough treatment while maintaining peak performance. Thermal management is critical in any gaming laptop, and ASUS doesn't disappoint here. The TUF Gaming A16 uses advanced arc flow fans combined with up to 4 exhaust vents and 5 dedicated heat pipes to keep temperatures in check. There's also an anti-dust filter that helps extend the lifespan of the cooling system by preventing clogging. Impressively, this cooling setup manages to keep the laptop cool without generating excessive noise, which means you can stay immersed in your gameplay or work sessions without distracting fan sounds. In terms of memory and storage, this model comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is the latest and fastest memory type available today. This ensures quick loading times and smooth multitasking, whether you're running games, streaming, or working with creative apps. The 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD provides lightning-fast storage speeds for loading games, software, and files quickly. While 512 GB might not be massive for some, it's a good balance between speed and capacity for most users. Plus, the laptop supports additional storage upgrades if you need more space. Connectivity options are solid with Wi-Fi 6 for fast and reliable wireless internet, which is essential for online gaming and streaming. The laptop also runs Windows 11 Home, offering the latest software features and security improvements, keeping your system up to date and ready for new applications. Overall, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 FA607PV AS93 is an excellent gaming laptop for 2025 that delivers a compelling mix of power, immersive display quality, and durable build. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or someone who needs a reliable all-around machine, this laptop is built to handle intense workloads while staying cool and quiet. The sleek mecha gray design adds a professional yet stylish look that fits right in at home, work, or gaming events. If you want a gaming laptop that lasts, performs, and looks great, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 is definitely worth considering in 2025. It balances cutting-edge tech with durability and comfort, making it a smart investment for serious users.